Hi guys, my name is Adamola Badmus and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, please do not forget to like and subscribe. So in this video actually, we are going to write our first automated script in Python and Selenium. So let's get started. So as part of best practices, I will create a Python package. I have also talked about this before in my Java and Selenium playlist why it is better to do a package. So let's use a package here as well. So I'll name this package resources. And while this is there, it is worthy to mention before I go any further, it is worthy to mention that some things have changed in the Selenium world. So which also means I have to update my Java and Selenium videos. There is no need anymore to download a WebDriver and save it to path in order to use it. And so which means gone are those days. It means that we have something that can actually work for that. And in the previous video, I've already introduced something like that, the WebDriver manager. So we'll see how it works and how it helps us to get the driver that we need. So in this video now we can begin. So I'll just create a file here. Let me name, for lack of better name, let me name this index, my first file. So we might change this later. So now we begin to import the things that we need. The first thing that we need is Selenium. So we'll get from Selenium we import the WebDriver. What do we need the WebDriver for? Simple. This is the actual class library that can give us the type of WebDriver that we need, whether it is a Chrome, it's an Edge, or a Firefox, or a Safari. This is where we can get it from. So it houses all the classes that can emulate the behavior of a Chrome. So the next thing that we need is we need a service. So we need a service. So we say from Selenium in the WebDriver class, we want Chrome, right? And inside Chrome, we want to pick the service. So from inside the service, we can get this. So in order to not get it confused, let's just give it an alias. So we can call it Chrome service, right? So then the next thing is we'll get the WebDriver manager. So which will help us manage the Chrome WebDriver. So we want that of Chrome. So we'll just bring that of Chrome in. And from then on, we're ready to move. So this is the site that we want to automate. So we'll copy it and come here. We create an instance of the driver. So we give it a variable called driver. So we create a WebDriver of type Chrome because it's Chrome that we are using. Then we will invoke a service, and this service will be the Chrome service. And inside the Chrome service, we'll call the Chrome driver manager class. We'll call it to install. So with this, we can have it installed. Then the next thing is let's launch that page for the first time and see. So I can say driver.get page, and while it has gotten the page, it should also should maximize the window. And after that, I've already promised that I will never introduce bad practices into the code. So watch out, this is going to be a bit fast. So I'm going to just close it afterwards. Now let's use quit because I need to terminate it. I don't need the session again. The difference between quit and close is that close will save a session of the web browser that has been launched, while quit just terminates the session completely. So with this done, let us run our code. So let's right click and run index. And what happens? the WebDriver is loaded and it is maximized and it goes off. So welcome to the world of automation using Python and Selenium. So in the next video, we are going to perform some actions here that I will list out, and we'll try to perform them under one video, else we are going to do it in 2 videos. So after we are done with those actions, we are going to break those actions down into a page object model, and we are going to use page object model. So which means these actions are what we are going to do throughout. We are just going to modify them into page object model, into TDD, and into BDD. So thank you for getting this far with me. In the next video, we will begin to do other actions. Bye bye.